Imagine this, sunrise to sunset, one island, countless experiences. Can you truly capture the essence of Bali in a mere 24 hours? It sounds like a challenge straight out of a reality show, yet here I am, armed with a camera, a scooter and an insatiable curiosity, ready to dive into the depths of this island paradise. From the lush terraced rice paddies of Ubud to the pulsating beach parties of Kuta, the quest is set to experience Bali with all its cultural richness and natural beauty in just one day. Is it possible? Perhaps not entirely, but is it going to be an adventure worth every second? Absolutely. Let's take a whirlwind journey through Bali, where every turn brings a new sight, every hour offers a new story, and every encounter leaves an indelible mark on the heart. As the first light of day breaks over the horizon, Sanur Beach reveals its tranquil beauty. The sky, painted in strokes of orange and pink, mirrors on the calm sea, creating a spectacle that feels almost surreal. Here the day begins not with a rush of engines, but with the rhythmic chants of fishermen preparing for their day at sea. I strike up a conversation with Wayan, a seasoned fisherman whose rugged hands have battled the ocean since he was a boy. He shares stories of the sea, tales of bountiful catches and the occasional wrath of nature. It's an interaction that's as enriching as it is humbling, providing a glimpse into the lives woven into Bali's maritime heritage. The tranquility here is palpable, offering a moment of reflection on the beauty and serene pace of life by Bali's shores. The calm waters, the gentle chants and the first rays of the sun converge to create a perfect opening act to a day promising endless possibilities. Heading inland to the cultural heart of Bali, Ubud, I find myself at a small family-run warung, a traditional eatery. The breakfast spread is a vibrant tableau of Balinese staples, nasi goreng, sate lilit, and the richly aromatic Bali coffee. Each dish is a burst of flavour, steeped in tradition and lovingly prepared. The owner, Ibu Ketut, explains how each ingredient is sourced from her own garden or from local markets, ensuring freshness and supporting the community. This meal isn't just nourishment, it's a cultural immersion, a way to connect with the island and its people through the universal language of food. In Bali, to eat is to celebrate life, to share in the bounty of the earth and the sea, and to honour the traditions passed down through generations. This meal, simple yet profound, is a testament to the island's rich culinary heritage. Ubud is not just a place, it's a vibe, an artistic heartbeat pulsating through its narrow streets and lush greenery. Here, art is life, and life is art. I wander into several art galleries, where the walls are alive with vibrant colours and profound expressions of human and divine narratives. Each piece tells a story. Each brushstroke captures a piece of the artist's soul. One gallery owner, Pak Maid, invites me to the back room where he is working on a canvas. His hands move with a precision and passion that is mesmerizing. He explains how Balinese art is deeply intertwined with spirituality and community, each painting a prayer or a meditation. This connection between creativity and spirituality in Bali is unlike anything I've experienced elsewhere. Reflecting on my time among Ubud's artists, I feel a deep sense of connection to this place. The art here isn't just creative, it's lived, breathed and cherished, offering a window into the soul of Bali. Leaving Ubud's artistic embrace, I ride north to the famed Tegalalang rice terraces. The journey is a visual feast, villages dotted with temples, streets lined with flowers, and then the terraces, an emerald green masterpiece crafted by human hands over centuries. Upon arrival, the air is cooler, the landscape a sprawling canvas of green. Here, Bali's agricultural prowess is on full display. The terraces are not only a source of sustenance, but also a testament to the Balinese philosophy of harmony with nature. I meet Ketut, a farmer who shares his knowledge about the subak system, an ancient and communal irrigation method unique to Bali. Walking through the paddies, Ketut points out the various stages of rice growth. This encounter is a profound reminder of the intricate balance between human endeavour and nature's will, a balance that defines much of Bali's essence. The afternoon takes me further north to Kintamani, home to the active volcano Mount Batur. Here, I settle for lunch at a quaint restaurant with a breathtaking view of the volcano and its surrounding landscapes. As I savour a traditional Balinese meal of bebek betutu, slow-cooked duck, I contemplate the fierce beauty of Mount Batur. The volcano is not just a natural landmark, but a sacred site, revered by the Balinese people for its spiritual significance. The local guide Nyaman shares tales of ceremonies and offerings made to appease the gods of the mountain. Eating here, with the earth's power in plain sight, adds a primal texture to the meal. It's a vivid reminder of the ever-present connection between the Balinese people and their natural environment, and the respect and reverence they hold for the forces that shape their land. From the heights of a volcano to the depths of the sea, my journey takes me next to Tulamben, a small village on the northeast coast, famous for its underwater shipwreck, the USS Liberty. Diving gear on, I descend into a different world. The ocean swallows the sounds of life above, and I am enveloped in a silent world of vibrant corals and diverse marine life. The shipwreck, teeming with life, serves as an artificial reef, creating an ecosystem that supports a myriad of creatures. My guide, a local diver named Wayan, points out various species of fish, each more colourful than the last. He shares insights into the conservation efforts to preserve this underwater paradise. This dive isn't just recreation, it's an education. It's about understanding the delicate balance of marine ecosystems and the role humans play in either disrupting or supporting these natural habitats. The experience is a profound reminder of the beauty and fragility of the world beneath the waves. As the day begins to fade, I head to the southwestern tip of the island to witness one of Bali's most spectacular cultural experiences, the Kecak fire dance at Uluwatu Temple. Perched on a cliff overlooking the Indian Ocean, the temple is a marvel of Balinese architecture, its location as dramatic as the stories it inspires. The dance begins with the setting sun as its backdrop, the chants of the Kecak performers filling the air. The performance, based on the Hindu epic Ramayana, is a mesmerizing display of art, spirituality, and community spirit. I speak with one of the dancers, Komang, who explains the significance of each scene and the role of the dance in Balinese culture. Watching this dance at sunset, with the ocean crashing below and the sky aflame with colours, is an almost spiritual experience. It's a powerful demonstration of how Bali weaves together nature, culture, and spirituality into one harmonious tapestry. The night takes me to Seminyak, Bali's stylish and bustling hotspot. Here, modern Bali comes alive with chic restaurants, trendy bars and vibrant clubs. I choose a popular eatery known for its innovative take on traditional Balinese cuisine. The food is a fusion of old and new, each dish a surprise and a delight. After dinner, the streets invite exploration. The energy is infectious, with music spilling from open doors and people from all corners of the globe coming together to celebrate the night. In the laughter and chatter, in the clinking of glasses, there's a sense of unity and joy that transcends cultural boundaries. This part of Bali, pulsating with modernity and nightlife, offers a stark contrast to the day's earlier experiences. It serves as a reminder of the island's dynamic nature, constantly evolving while still rooted in its rich cultural soil. Back at my hotel, the adrenaline of the day slowly ebbs away. Lying on the bed, I replay each moment, each sunrise, each smile, each wave crashing against the shore. Bali in a day? It's an overwhelming, exhilarating, and ultimately impossible task. Yet in the attempt, I've touched upon the vast tapestry of experiences that the island offers. There's a realization that to truly know Bali, to feel its pulse and move to its rhythm, one needs more than a day. But this whirlwind tour has been a glimpse into the heart of this magical island, a teaser that only makes the soul yearn for more. As I conclude this 24-hour journey, it's clear that Bali is not just a destination, it's a feeling, an experience, a spirit that dances like the fire of the Kecak and whispers with the waves of the sea. Today was a testament to the island's diversity. From its serene beaches to its sacred temples, from its vibrant art to its lively nightlife, Bali teaches us about beauty, resilience, and the interconnectivity of life and culture. It invites us to explore, to learn, and to grow. For those who venture here, it offers not just memories, but transformations. To those reading this, consider it an invitation, a challenge, to come and experience the myriad facets of Bali. Dive deep, climb high, and let the island's spirit guide you. In Bali, every day is a discovery, every corner a new adventure, and every moment a treasure.